Hey, welcome from here, there, from everywhere. Welcome, you guys. How are you? Doing good? Are you? That's great. Well, don't confine yourself when it comes to learning anything, especially English. Like if you have good command over basic work, go for advanced words. If you have good advanced words, then upgrade it. Grammatically must sounds good. Learn slangs, phrasal words, and when it comes to writing, many times we speak somehow correctly, but when it comes to write it down, it's really become very difficult to write correct English. And if you have any doubt about it, if you're skeptical about it, just write down one page of it and you will find you are making so many mistakes. Yeah, this is a fact. This is something what you will just try it and you will find the real. Yeah, you are absolutely right. So don't confine yourself every day. Just read little bit of every aspect of English, and after a few years, because it is gonna take time. It is gonna take time. It's not a one day game. It's a journey. It's not a destination. Well, the more I read, the more I find, oh my god, I don't know this. Yeah, this is something was like sometimes very weird for me. Like, what the hell is going on? But, this is absolutely normal. Nothing weird in this. This is the way the things are. The more you will just try to figure it out what is not working for you, the more you will find like, oh my god, I don't know. Oh. And you know what, many times you just read the stuffs but you don't practice it. Because you didn't practice it, it becomes very difficult to recall it. And if you can't able to recall it, is it, I mean, it has no sense. No matter how much you did net practice, all that matters is whether you did right performance in the match or not. So yeah, I mean, it's like many times like, what the hell, the silly mistakes I'm doing because you didn't practice it, or you need to upgrade yourself. It could be possible you felt like I inspired but you didn't. So these are things you just need to take care. And any person who has um, good command over any language, he or she has given a great number of years and practice every day just trying to explain that, and that's why he or she at that position, right? This is not a miracle. This is all about effort. You will have to put that effort to get the right. It's as simple as that, right? So these are things if you'll just keep in mind, then it's gonna be easy. It's gonna be easy for you to to figure it out where I'm not doing the right stuff, where I need to really improve it, where I really need to upgrade myself, where I'm lagging, right? These are things, not a big deal, but at the same time, it's not a piece of cake as long as you are not giving time and effort to it, right? So this is all I just felt wanted to share to help you out to become more prudent in English, scholar in English, right? And once you will just follow this tiny things, it's gonna be like you will see the result. You will find uh, you will find the difference. These nuances are really makes a big difference, right? This is me signing off from this video. If you really liked it, subscribe, share, like. This is me signing off from this video. Have a great day.